At the supermarket. Daily English conversation practice for beginners A1 to A2. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we have another useful topic.
Yes, today we will learn English at the supermarket.
This is something we all do,
Yes, we go to the supermarket every week.
and we need English to buy things.
Don't worry, we will use simple and easy English,
We will speak slowly.
so you can listen and repeat.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
All right, David, are you ready?
Yes, let's go shopping.
Let's go.
Slowly. Part 1. Entering the supermarket. Hello, Lucy.
Hi, David.
Are you at the supermarket?
Yes, I am at the supermarket. And you?
Great. I am here too.
Nice. Let's shop together.
Good idea.
David, what do you need today?
Let me see. I need milk, bread, and eggs.
That's simple.
Yes. What about you?
I need fruits and vegetables.
Healthy choices.
Yes, I try to eat healthy.
That's very good, Lucy. Practice. I need.
Please repeat after us.
I am at the supermarket.
I need milk.
I need bread.
I need eggs.
Very good.
Let's say it again, a little slower.
I need milk.
Excellent. You're doing great.
Part 2. Looking for products.
David, where is the milk?
I don't know. Let's look around.
Okay. Oh, I see something.
Where?
It is over there, on the left.
Ah, yes. I see it too. Good eyes, Lucy.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Great.
Here is the milk.
Perfect. Do we take one or two?
Let's take one. Or maybe two.
Yes, good idea. Two is better.
Okay, 2 bottles of milk. Practice. Where is?
Please repeat after us. Where is the milk?
It is over there.
I see it.
Let's go.
Very good. You are learning fast.
Part 3. Asking for help. Excuse me,
Yes?
where are the eggs? I don't see them.
The eggs are in aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lucy, what is aisle?
Good question.
Yes, very good question.
An aisle is a long row in the supermarket, like a hallway.
Ah, I understand. Like aisle 1, aisle 2.
Exactly.
And eggs are in aisle 5.
Perfect. Do you want to ask one more time for practice?
Yes. Excuse me, where are the eggs?
In aisle 5. You got it.
Practice. Polite questions. Repeat after us. Excuse me,
Where are the eggs?
in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excellent. Very polite.
Part 4. Choosing products. Lucy, look at these apples.
Oh, yes, they look fresh.
Yes, they look very good and red.
I want apples.
How many?
I want 4 apples.
Good choice. Do you want green or red?
Red, please. What about you?
Yes, I want apples too. But I want 2 apples.
Great. Let's take some.
Okay. Do we need a bag for the apples?
Yes, let's use a small bag.
Good idea. Practice. I want.
Please repeat after us. I want apples.
They look fresh.
I take 4 apples.
Good choice.
Very good. Now you can choose fruits in English.
Part 5. At the checkout. Lucy, I'm ready.
Me too.
Let's go to the checkout.
Okay, this way.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, I have my own bag.
Good. That's good for the environment.
How much is it?
It is $20.50.
Okay,
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Great.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Practice. Checkout. Repeat after us.
How much is it?
I will pay by card.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Excellent. Now you can pay in English.
Final practice. All together.
Let's repeat the most important sentences one more time.
Listen carefully. Then repeat.
I am at the supermarket.
I need milk and bread.
Where is the bread?
It is over there.
How much is it?
I will pay by card.
Amazing! You did a great job today.
Outro. Great job today.
You learned how to speak English at the supermarket.
Now you can feel more confident.
Yes, practice every day, even alone.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments,
what do you buy at the supermarket?
do you like fruits or snacks?
Write your answer in English. We read them.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.